Filming nature videos is not easy. You have to be patient. Like this butterfly, waiting with its wings spread across. Maybe the marks on the wings will attract a mate. And it's waiting patiently. It is summer and there are loads of butterflies in our garden. I think this is a female butterfly. Butterflies usually choose dahlias, and this is the dahlia plant. And patience is going to pay off soon. Here it comes. Another butterfly, and they're having fun. This much fun only means one thing. Loads of caterpillars are going to be there eating my dahlias. By the way, photographer is my husband, so credit goes to him for patiently waiting there. Oh my God.